Hello, my name is Julia, and this is Space Daily News channel. For the Vostochny cosmodrome, the Khrunichev Center has developed a full-size copy of the Angara A5 launch vehicle, the Angara-NZh, which means ground liquid propellant. It will be used to practice the preparation of a regular rocket for launch and for the certification of the Amur space rocket complex. The assembly of the second stage of the Angara-NZh rocket was completed this week, and its pneumatic testing has begun. It's noted that this is one of the final stages of the final assembly. Concurrently with the pneumatic tests in the final assembly shop, engines are being assembled on the fuel tanks of the first Angara A5 rocket. Hydropneumatic units are being assembled and onboard cable network is being laid. Angara is the family of Russian unified launch vehicles with oxygen-kerosene engines, which includes carriers of light to heavy classes, in the range of payloads from 3.5 to 38 tons in low Earth orbit. Angara has a modular design. Different variants of payloads are realized with the help of different number of universal rocket modules. So far there have been 3 launches of Angara A5 rockets, in 2014, 2020 and 2021. The first 2 went smoothly. During the third one, the new upper stage per se failed. But the first launch of the Angara A5 rocket from the Vostochny launch site has been postponed until April or June 2024. Earlier, Roscosmos has planned to launch the rocket in December 2023. Angara A5 and Angara-NZh are expected to be delivered to the Vostochny launch site this summer. Angara-NZh will participate in ground tests, during which employers of the cosmodrome will simulate an accident at the launch of the rocket. After that, the Angara A5 rocket will be launched to simulate an accident in flight, at an altitude of 10 or 12 kilometers. Space Daily News, like, share and subscribe.